Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm super excited to share 3 unique ways to elevate your Arabic calligraphy with stunning abstract backgrounds. Stencils, and a bit of intuition to create backgrounds that truly pop. Remember, in modern calligraphy, the writing needs to be on point, but the background is where you can unleash your creativity. Our first technique, we're going abstract with ink splatters. Don't overthink it, just let the ink flow. See how these colors blend and create interesting textures. Once it's dry, we'll layer some calligraphy on top. The contrast between the free-flowing background and the precise letters is what makes this so eye-catching. I am using Sennelier inks and Zig calligraphy markers to make these Arabic calligraphy artworks. You can try local inks as beginners as they are cheap price-wise. This calligraphy is done on watercolor paper. I let the I know dry and write on it. You can try these ideas on different surfaces like smooth calligraphy paper and canvas. Here I splashed black ink and leave it to dry for some time. I used mica gold ink and Sharpie metallic markers to make this Arabic calligraphy. Try these ideas and begin your first Arabic calligraphy sketchbook. Like and subscribe for more detailed videos. To learn Arabic calligraphy step by step, join my Udemy course. Link is in bio.